Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix DoorDash app is not working. So the first thing you will need to do is to make sure that your device actually supports DoorDash app. So if you check that and you find out that it actually supports it, then the thing that you can do is to go to your app store and make sure that your DoorDash app is up to date. So check if there are any updates for the app and make sure that you update it and then go to the app and see if it works. If it doesn't, then you can go to your device settings and see if there are any updates for your device. If there are any, then make sure that you install them and then go back to the app and see if it works. If the problem continues, then you might be having an internet connection issue. So try disconnecting your Wi-Fi or your data and reconnecting it again. This most likely is going to resolve the issue for you, but if it doesn't, then the last thing that you can do is to go to DoorDash Help Center and try contacting their support. So you can use the contact detail that they have provided on their website. So you can call them or even chat with them. So choose your preferred method and go from there. Once you contact them, they will be able to help you. So basically, this is how to fix a DoorDash app is not working problem. Super easy and simple.